Alright, we're cleaning a trailer house, and the only thing I'm going to video is a little bit of the living room carpet. The other rooms don't look too bad. As you can see, this has some pretty good stains in it. One red stain that we sprayed ammonia on. We'll see if that comes out. We may have to spray some peroxide on it as well. But that's all we're doing, so stay tuned. Alright, we're starting to clean. It's a pretty old carpet. Did the red come all the way out?
No, not yet. But the gray carpet is coming out. The traffic pattern is coming right out, so that's good.
Yeah, you see it's really dark over in here and over in here a little bit.
Now that traffic lane just came out.
So I don't know if you can tell in video, but it's raising up all the carpet fibers. So it does a good job restoring the nap of the carpet, because this is a real old carpet, so it gets pretty worn down.
The important thing is just taking the traffic lanes out.
Yeah, it scrubs the carpet really well. And these carpets, because it's pretty hot today, these carpets will probably be dry in under an hour. Which is good, because the people that are cleaning this trailer up and everything, they're actually in the process of working, so all their stuff's still here. So they'll be able to get right back to work, and they won't have to wait for these carpets to fully dry.
I'll go over the traffic lane a little heavier in a minute, but I'm going to clean the rest of it fast while the pre-spray is wet.
It's hard to find an angle with the shadows and whatnot.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to pause the video here. We're going to come back and show you some more here when he gets to another really dirty spot.
In a darker area.
Alright, we're back to one of the darker areas here. Kind of right in there. It's kind of hard to see when you're shooting these videos what's going to show up on the final video, but that's a dark traffic pattern.
Yeah, it comes out though. This osculating pad cleaning method, it cleans the carpets real well. It gets a lot of traffic lanes out.
Yeah, it's able to scrub the fibers from all directions, because it's not just rotating, it's orbiting. And so if you ever seen an orbital sander or other orbital tools, you know what they do. They don't leave swirl marks, and they get all from all angles at the same time, so they work really good for that. And on carpet cleaning, they're great.
Oh, there's some corner carpet right there.
Yeah, there's a gouge in the carpet.
Discovered it.
Now this is a trailer house. So when you're dealing with the subfloors and everything in these trailer houses, you usually got a particle type of board or a plywood. And if you use traditional cleaning methods with these thin carpets, you can get that stuff wet, and that can ruin the floors. So these low moisture methods are best.
Traditional cleaning methods, he's talking about your basic chalk mount cleaning.
Yeah, any kind of extraction cleaning, you're going to take a danger with getting the carpets overly soaked.
You are going to soak the carpets. You're going to the subfloor's wet, and they're going to rot out.
When a carpet's really dark like this, you're going to have to put more water down to get the stains out. That's going to get your subfloor wet. And then people are looking at having to replace subfloors, and they're not going to be happy with you if you are cause of all that.
See if I can get more of this out.
Yeah, it's still a dark area.
Let me flip the bonnet real quick.
That side's dirty.
Yeah, it's picked up a lot of gray.
Yeah, like we've said before, it's like a magic eraser for carpets.
That's how it works. It erases the dirt.
It's on the side. Just a little bit. These carpets now, they're a little bit damp. They'll lighten up as they dry, and we may put some peroxide down to help lighten them even more.
They're practically dry now.
Yeah. So.
If you live in a home that has wooden floors underneath your carpet, don't let a person with a chalk mount clean your carpets. It'll go right through the carpet, right through the pad, right to the floor, and they won't get all the water out, and your floors will rot out. This is the kind of method you want for any reason, but especially when you got wooden floors.
Now, Jay, that whole area back behind you is still, maybe could use one more pass. I'm going to go ahead and shut the camera off now. We're trying to make shorter length videos because this is going to go on YouTube, but we're also posting these on Facebook, and Facebook uploads take forever and a day. So we have to keep the length of the videos down. I may come back and show a little bit more once we're done, but I may just stop at this. We got the point across. Still got one more room to do, and that may be all for this video. So if you see some more, there's more video. If not, thanks for watching.
This is the bed right here.
All right, last room being cleaned as we speak.
It's getting clean, but the carpets are real worn out.
These carpets are probably over 20 years old.
They're old.
Yeah.
Some of them don't even have no nap left on them.
Nope. Then the living room, I put some peroxide down, which lightens it as it dries. So this isn't the final result. When the carpets are fully dry, these areas that still have a little bit of a tinge to them will lighten up some more, but we won't be around to see the final result. But, it'll be good enough for what we're doing here today, because they're just wanting to re-rent this trailer. So basically, that's all there is when we clean a trailer. So till next time, thanks for watching.